In this video, we're going to be talking about headings. These are text that simply denotes titles and subtitles, which are commonly used in articles, blogs, textbooks, almost any place where you find some form of text written content. And so, to denote headings in HTML, we use the H1 tag down to the H6 tag. It, these tags create some form of hierarchy, with H1 being the main title or the title and the others being subtitles. In some form of descending order, the H1 major and then followed by the other one. So H2 is the next in the hierarchy of subtitles, and then H3, H4, all the way to H6. Now they're very easy to utilize. To denote an H1 tag, I'm just going to be using emit, and this is enabled in VS Code by default. If I should just type H1 and press enter, it's going to complete the tag for me. Although this is not beginner friendly, it is best you type out the whole thing yourself so as to get acquainted to these tags. But then emit makes it a whole lot faster to type these things. I strongly recommend you type it yourself. I'm just trying to be fast. Okay, and in this H1 tag, I'm just going to put heading 1. Okay, this is a simple H1. So if I save and then return to the browser and reload, because I've already previewed it, you see this text right here being displayed is now our main title. But also we can create subtitles. Okay, if I go for H2 and then call this heading 2, but just so we can see them all, I'll just write the rest and then heading 3 as well as heading 4 and then heading 5, and finally we have heading 6. Okay, so if I save, return to the browser and reload, you see we'll get this visual hierarchy which is displayed here. This kind of tells us how their level of precedence actually is. So this is the main heading, which is H1. These are H2, H3, H4, all the way to H6. Now a rule of thumb is to always have only one H1 on every page, because that's your main title, and it's very important for SEO and web crawlers. This main title, it is very important. Okay, so the rest I used to denote titles of different content sections, asides, and the likes. But then this guy preferences the entire content that is meant to be on this page. Okay, so you should have only one. So that's pretty much it for headings. Okay, so I'll see you in the very next video where we'll be talking about paragraphs. Have a nice day.